The original Sony FX3 didn't just break the mold, it shattered the barrier between run-and-gun mirrorless bodies and multi-million-dollar Hollywood sets. From indie creators to the director of massive sci-fi blockbusters, it became the undisputed king of compact filmmaking. But that was years ago, and technology waits for no one. Welcome back to TechVibe. The entire filmmaking community has been asking one burning question: can Sony actually beat perfection? Well, the wait is over. Recent major regulatory filings, supply chain leaks, and factory registrations out of Asia have all but confirmed that the Titan is returning. This is everything we know about the highly anticipated Sony FX3 Mark II, a camera engineered to completely change the landscape of content creation and professional cinematography all over again. If you are planning to upgrade your rig or have your eye on a new cinema body, you need to hear this before you make any decisions. Let's address the heart of this upcoming powerhouse, the brand new sensor design. The original FX3 captured the industry with its legendary 12-megapixel sensor, giving us pristine low-light performance but leaving some creators wanting a bit more flexibility for cropping and reframing. The FX3 Mark II changes the game entirely by introducing a highly rumored 33-megapixel partially stacked sensor, powered by the advanced BIONZ XR2 processing engine. Now, if you are a purist worried about losing that low-light magic, don't panic. Sony isn't just adding pixels for marketing clout. This partially stacked architecture enables a readout speed up to 3.5 times faster than standard sensors. What does that mean for your workflow? It means rolling shutter artifacts are virtually wiped off the map. Fast-panning sports, rapid action sequences, and erratic handheld movements will look incredibly fluid and organic, mimicking a global shutter without losing a single stop of dynamic range. Furthermore, this pixel boost unlocks a feature that filmmakers have been begging for: true 6.2K oversampling. Instead of just capturing native 4K, the FX3 Mark II samples a massive amount of visual data and compresses it into an incredibly sharp, artifact-free 4K output. The level of fine detail in textures, skin tones, and wide landscapes will be vastly superior to its predecessor. And for the heavy-hitting slow-motion shooters, the sensor readout allows the camera to deliver silky smooth 4K at a staggering 120 frames per second with little to no crop, and up to 240 frames per second in optimized high frame rate modes. Whether you are shooting fast-paced commercial projects or high-end cinematic sequences, this sensor represents a massive leap forward. But a great sensor means nothing if your shots are out of focus, and this is where Sony is widening the gap between themselves and the competition. The FX3 Mark II is set to inherit a dedicated AI processing unit natively built into the autofocus system. This goes way beyond simple face and eye detection. The deep learning algorithms can recognize human poses, tracking a subject even if they turn their back to the camera, walk behind an obstacle, or put on a helmet and sunglasses. If you are a solo filmmaker operating your own camera on a gimbal, this feature is like having a world-class focus puller built right into your camera body. It eliminates the anxiety of ruined takes and allows you to focus purely on composition and lighting. To complement this advanced tracking, the in-body image stabilization is getting a historic upgrade. Leaks indicate an industry-leading 8.5 stops of stabilization, the highest ever seen in Sony's cinema line. Even more exciting for cinematic creators is the inclusion of specialized stabilization algorithms specifically tuned for anamorphic lenses. Shooting with anamorphic glass usually introduces weird geometric distortions that standard stabilization systems can't handle. The FX3 Mark II solves this, giving handheld anamorphic footage a beautifully stable, organic look that previously required massive, heavy gimbal setups. Let's look at the external design because ergonomics can make or break a long shoot day. The FX3 Mark II is expected to retain the beloved compact, cage-free design with built-in Q20 mounting points, but with a few crucial physical evolutions. To support the massive processing requirements of the new sensor and prevent thermal throttling, the body features a slightly thicker profile with an overhauled active cooling system. This guarantees unlimited recording times even when shooting high bitrate 4K 120 frames per second in harsh environments. Additionally, sources point to the inclusion of specialized color temperature sensors on the exterior to assist with auto-white balance accuracy in rapidly changing mixed lighting situations. But it is the audio and synchronization upgrades that truly elevate this camera into a flagship cinema tool. When paired with the updated XLR handle unit, the FX3 Mark II introduces native 32-bit float audio recording across up to 8 channels simultaneously. For run-and-gun documentary filmmakers or event videographers, 32-bit float is an absolute lifesaver. It captures a dynamic range of sound so vast that clipping becomes physically impossible. If someone whispers and then suddenly shouts, you can recover the entire audio track perfectly in post-production with zero distortion. On top of that, Sony is addressing multi-camera production by incorporating professional wireless timecode synchronization over a dedicated 6 GHz wireless channel. This allows multiple FX3 Mark II units to sync up flawlessly without the need for expensive external timecode boxes, saving hours of tedious alignment in editing software. Naturally, all of these groundbreaking features come at a premium. While the original model launched around $3,500, inflation and the sheer weight of these next-gen upgrades are expected to position the FX3 Mark II closer to the $4,000 to $4,500 range. This strategic pricing puts it right in the crosshairs of professional production houses and high-tier independent creators who demand top-tier specs without moving up to a massive, heavy cinema camera. Sony is clearly positioning the FX3 Mark II to dominate the high-end hybrid and compact cinema market for the next half-decade. By blending massive resolution upgrades, revolutionary AI autofocus, 32-bit float audio, and robust thermal management into a body you can carry in a small backpack, they are giving creators unprecedented filmmaking power. In an industry where production value means everything, having this level of performance in such a versatile form factor is an absolute game changer. It means small indie crews and solo content creators can now deliver the exact same visual fidelity as elite Hollywood production teams, completely leveling the playing field for global content creators. If you have been waiting for the ultimate compact cinema tool to elevate your production value and future-proof your work, this is the machine you have been waiting for. Tell us your thoughts in the comments below, smash that like button, and make sure to subscribe to TechVibe for more deep dives into the future of filmmaking gear. Keep creating, stay inspired, and we will see you in the very next video.